In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy your Facebook profile link and your page link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to your profile. If we want to copy the link to our main profile, all we have to do is just tap at three dots button, and then down below we can easily find our profile link, and we can tap at copy link to copy that link to the clipboard. After that, we can go to any other platform or Messenger or Notes app, and then we can just paste it. If we want to copy the link to some page, first off we need to go to menu, tap at that arrow to switch to the page from our main profile. After that, in the same way, we need to tap at page's profile picture, then tap at three dots button, and at the same position we can easily find our page link. We can tap at copy link, it says page link copied, and then we can share it or save it somewhere. That's how you can easily copy links on Facebook.